Oh my gosh, this gorgeous house. That is so sad. Just walked in this back door. I'm not sure what the purpose of this little deck is for. When you turn to the left, it goes into the garage. When you turn to the right, it goes into the house. Let's take a look in the garage. Look at those nuts. Those are acorns. Look at this. Insulation all over the place. This was water damage. The garage doors look fine, I guess. Need some cleaning up in here. Ooh, can you hear that wind outside? Let's go in. Oh. When you come in this back door, there's a closet to the left, a half bath straight ahead on the left, and a stairway going upstairs. Animal tracks right there. Going up the stairs. Look at that, disgusting. Something running around in here. And there's a dead something. Chipmunk, I don't know what that is. Here's a closet. Look at it, look at this. That is, I guess, mouse poop. Okay, take a look at this bathroom. It's in decent shape. Just needs to be completely updated to be like the fake ferns. Turn to the right. This brings us into the kitchen. Wow, would you look at all that mouse poop? It's disgusting. Whew, they've been running rampant in here. Look at that. Ugh, how awful. It's a pretty kitchen. I'm waiting for someone to come because there's a lot of mold downstairs. This sink is ugly. Be nicer to have a pretty farm sink or old dishwasher. Maybe it still works. Garbage disposal. Gosh, you're not supposed to have garbage disposals here. We're on septic. Trash compactor. The cabinets don't look terrible. Pretty old. They're the original, but not horrible. This counter is ugly. Really ugly. Here we've got a bunch of drawers. 6. Let's count the drawers. 7, 8. This almost looks like a bread box with electric. Pulls down. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Gosh, these aren't really, they're not as solid as I would have liked. I've got another one here, and a big one there. Oh, this needs some repair. Look at that. It's falling apart. Look at the color of it inside. This is a pantry. It's pretty nice. As long as the mice aren't getting it. Oh, look at the color. See? That's the old paint. This TV's got to go. Those are hard to lift. Before they left, they put in this new refrigerator. Nice Sub-Zero. This is a nice cooktop. GE profile ovens. Okay, really old microwave. This granite looks like it might be Ubatuba. Gosh, look how thin that granite is. That's only, oh, half an inch or 3/4 at the most. That's unfortunate. Not a lot of room to get by. Oh, I wonder what that electric is. But there's an overhang for a couple of chairs. This is where the kitchen table was. Retreat area to go have some wine and brandy. A sink over there. And a nice fireplace. I think I saw 6 fireplaces. Just take a look at those windows. Wow. That is definitely filthy. But I don't know why it's foggy like that. Maybe the seal is broken. That one, a couple of them look good. That goes down to the front hall, to the front door. Over here is a little, let's call this a smoking porch. Maybe the guys go outside and have a cigar. Some built-in cabinetry over here. Matches the kitchen. And this nice library office. This is the window that's completely gone on the outside. Just rotted everywhere. There's a lot of damage under that window outside too. High ceiling. 4 skylights. Another fireplace. This is really pretty from here. This window's shattered. Walk down from the kitchen to the front door. An old doorbell. The panel fell off. Those are not true divided lights. Look at that pillar. It's just falling over. Let's see if we can, I'm almost afraid to walk out here. Let's see if we can push this back in place. Disconnected at the bottom too. It's completely off. The only thing holding it on is the railing. Whew. This room is the formal living room. More built-ins. Another fireplace. Gosh, this has got to be, that's probably a 9-foot ceiling. Oh, I can see some watermarks right there in the ceiling. There's water coming from somewhere. Pretty molding. It's beautiful. Go from the living room straight across into the dining room. More built-ins. Another fireplace. Big chandelier. Something going on here. That looks like a piece of a broken chair. An arm to a chair, maybe? I don't know where that came from. Look at all this. Is that from an animal? I'm afraid to even look up there. And here we are, back into the kitchen. This was all beautiful at one time. The granite tiles, I'm pretty sure that's Ubatuba. And the wallpaper and the custom curtains to go with it. This was not inexpensive. Let's open that up. Try to get a little heat in here, it's freezing. We're coming up the back steps to the second floor. Turn to the left. Here is bathroom number 2. That is just disgusting. Look at that. Pretty small tub, jetted tub. Ugly. There's mold in this toilet. The wallpaper's coming off. To the left of this room is the laundry room. Just needs to be cleaned up, painted. Then continue to the left, and we're walking into the master suite. Ensuite.
So that was the master bedroom, huh?
That was the master. Here are the closets, some built-ins. All right, there's this closet. The light's not working. Maybe this is an office or a lounge area. And there is a door. There's poop everywhere. Everywhere. This is completely clogged up. Needs to be replaced. That's the air intake. Okay, so we're coming back to the stairs. This time, if we turn to the right, we're going to go down to, this is another bedroom, pretty good size. This weird thing here. Closet here. Sunny. Facing the front of the house. That one completely clogged up. Needs to be changed. This is the little pink and purple room with fairies. Just closets. Bifold doors. Here is another bathroom.